Today we're going to showcase the Tiffen Black Pro Mist, and we're going to compare it without, and then we're going to use the 1/8 and then the 1/4 and see which one you like. Let me know. With the release of Polar Pro's V&D Mist Peter McKinnon filters, and with Moment's own Cinebloom, we've seen a rise of people wanting to get diffusion filters. So yesterday I had my lovely girlfriend stand in the sun because it's rare for San Francisco to have that kind of sun and be warm, and so we wanted to take that opportunity and took some sample shots and showed you in a harsh environment how it would look without the filter, the 1/8 and the 1/4. And here are they. Now we're gonna test this in a studio environment with an ideal lighting setup, kind of like this. So what do you guys think? Personally, I like the 1/4. It's not too much. The 1/8 is probably what I would use if you just want like something that casual that you don't see. But if you're buying these filters, you probably want to show it off, honestly. And it takes that edge off. It makes your skin a little bit prettier. I just really like it. I haven't tried the other ones, but for me, I like the Black Pro Mist, the Tiffen, because they retain the blackness of the darks. From what I've seen, Moment and Polar Pro diffusion filters lift up the shadows as well. But if that's what's something you're into, then go for them. To be honest, I don't really know. I haven't tried the other ones yet. Maybe we'll test them. I don't know. Right now, I only have the Tiffen Black Pro Mist, and I like them a lot. That should be it for me. Hopefully this is helpful or entertaining if you've been thinking about getting diffusion filters. They're really great, even for photography. Thank you so much. Let's get better together. After seeing myself with the diffusion filter, I can't really look at myself now without it. I just become so insecure. I'm just kidding.